Do you get some comments on your Instagram stories which you want to remove, but you don't know how to do it? Well, in this video, we'll walk you through the easy steps to delete those unwanted or hateful comments and keep your stories looking just the way you want. But before we start with this tutorial, if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe to App Tutor for more similar tutorials like this one. It would really help us out. Now, without wasting your time, let's start right away. Whether it's spam, trolling, or just a comment you'd rather not have, you want to open the Instagram app on your phone and then go over to your Instagram profile page. We have to open our Instagram story on which we want to remove the specific comment, so just tap on your profile picture in order to open and find the story which you need to. Here it is for me, and I have only one comment as an example, but your story may have many comments. We will swipe from the bottom to the top in order to open the Story Viewers section, but at the very top, you're going to see all of the different comments which people left on your Instagram story. So here is the comment which I want to remove, and I'll tap on the three dots right here, which will open another menu with some options. You can report this comment if it's inappropriate or similar, but let's click on this Delete Comment option right here, and that comment will be removed from our Instagram story. You can repeat this with other comments which you want to remove, and if you want to disable the story comments on a specific story, or even all of your stories so that no one will be able to leave comments on your Instagram stories, then I'll leave a video tutorial where I will explain to you step by step on how you can permanently turn off the Instagram story comments. It can be for one specific story or for all stories altogether. The link of that video is in the description and in the comment down below, and I'll see you soon.